Hi, this is Paige Miyazaki, and I'm going to be talking about how to upload our own catalogs to Reach and how to utilize different catalogs that may be on the Reach site as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just start outlining some of this first page from my daily chores list. First part under Showroom is Reach. So Hotspot and catalogs. This must be done in Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. I don't know why, but it's just always been something that I've utilized in Internet Explorer and has never had any issues. So we'll go ahead and use this by going to brandwise.com, log in, and to upload catalogs and access any of those catalogs that we want on our Reach site or on the iPad Play, we're going to use the BACO 100 backend office. And this password is listed on that login sheet. From here, you'll always utilize that content management page. Come on. And let's say we are, for example, uploading our own catalog for ancient olive trees. On the left-hand side, we'll click here, Upload. And we'll upload our own catalog here. We'll take which supplier, for this example, ancient olive trees. And all catalogs that are uploaded currently for that line will display here. So we can see that we have uploaded a catalog, 5/17/2017, as well as another group. For this, I'm going to upload another catalog as a test. (2018). Browse. And no need to fill out anything there. On this next page, it'll be generating our cover page. This is what you'll see on both the iPad Play as well as our home page for our Reach site. I usually click the first top left catalog. It is like the wide view and usually will encompass the whole catalog. Here you can upload another catalog. For this example, we'll say no. The catalog that you just uploaded will be displayed here. Right now it's processing. Depending on the size, it'll take just a few minutes or half the day if it's something that's big like a book catalog. For this, it's already ready to hotspot. If you see the catalog here listed, you can go ahead and click on it. You can also find a catalog by clicking up here to Supplier, Ancient Olive Trees, and we see it here. This is also a great way for you to find catalogs that other rep groups may have uploaded. For example, Archipelago. It'll have listed here all catalogs that are uploaded by us as well as other vendors or other rep groups. So we can see we've uploaded a couple. I always make sure to check the dates. They don't actually go in an order, so it's a little frustrating on that point, but most catalogs don't have too many on there. So we can see here is a Spring Complete 2018 catalog, as well as here is a complete Spring 2018 catalog. And let's say we are looking for another rep group's catalog to utilize for our own Reach site. It will show here that Design, Home, Gift, and Paper had uploaded a catalog. that's hotspotted, as well as Just Gotta Have It. And you can choose between catalogs, like Just Gotta Have It. They have 62 hotspots, one product without hotspots. I tend to go with which product line has the most hotspots, and then you'll publish. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Content Manager and demonstrate how to hotspot our own catalog. And for that, I will utilize Ancient Olive Trees. So here we will go ahead and create the hotspot for our catalog that we have. So for this is an easy line because we only have 3 items. So you'll go ahead and just click on the item that you would like to hotspot. This is the balsamic. It'll either pop up different SKUs here, or you can product search. If you know the product number, you can put it in there. Otherwise, you can put in a piece of the product name. Balsamic. Click on the item, and it's hotspotted. Olive oil. And so this page has 3 hotspots associated with it, which just so happens that this product line only has 3 lines. Since this does only have 1 page, you'll put page complete, hotspot complete. If the catalog had multiple pages and you were done with the first page, you always have to do page complete, so it saves all hotspots, and then you would go on to the next. And when you're done, you would click page complete, or hotspot status complete. Now from here, it's complete. We'll go back. Now we have 3 hotspots associated with our catalog, 0 products without hotspot, and here we would click Publish. Here we see that we've got our hotspots associated. Our 2 missing products are, I believe, the gift box that they have associated with it. Because that item, if we wanted it on there, we could add it, go back and add it. For this example, I'm not, but it does give you a good indicator if you are missing any products. And here you would click Submit, and it'll be uploaded to Play as well as Reach. For this example, I'll leave it unpublished just because I already have a catalog hotspotted and up and running.